One of the great Mannerist masterpieces of Florence has been restored and returned to its rightful place.
Pontormo's monumental Deposition, the crown jewel of the Capponi Chapel in Santa Felicità, is now back home after being displayed in a recent exhibition at the Palazzo Strozzi. The Capponi Chapel is a trove of artistic treasures that have just been restored in their entirety, funded by the foundation Friends of Florence. The €120,000 restoration project began in March 2017. Restorer Daniele Rossi worked on all surfaces of the Capponi Chapel, with the exception of the evangelists Matthew, Mark, Luke and John on the ceiling, which he previously restored in 2010. The Capponi Chapel is best known for housing Pontormo's awe-inspiring Deposition, but has a long history and a list of people who are involved in making it what we see today. In 1525, Lodovico di Gino Capponi, a noble Florentine banker with links to the Medici, purchased the space, planning to use it as his family's burial ground. Pontormo at the time was already an established painter and accepted Capponi's commission, working in near solitude, accompanied only by his pupil, Bronzino. Architecturally, the chapel has not undergone any substantial modifications since it was first planned by Brunelleschi in 1422. The Deposition is not Pontormo's only contribution to the chapel. The Annunciation, to its right, is also his. Between the figures of Mary and the angel is a copy of a work by the French monk Guillaume de Marcillac depicting the crucifixion and the transportation of Christ to burial. Santa Felicità and the treasures of the Capponi Chapel are located right along one of the main tourist tracks of Florence, sandwiched between the Ponte Vecchio and Palazzo Pitti, yet many visitors never set foot inside. Carve out some time to see the chapel brought back to its original glory.